Hello students, welcome to my channel Being Teachers and I'm Ruhi. I hope you all are doing well, and I've been getting a lot of messages and comments regarding the beekeeper and the bewitched hair that many of my subscribers and viewers want the question and answers. So guys, without any further wait, so today we are going to learn about the question and answers. But guys, before I start the video, I would like to request you to watch the video till the end, because I don't want you to miss out any of the important question or answers that can probably come in your examination. Okay, and before that, I would like to please do not skip viewing the description box, because over there I will be providing you links of first, second and third part of the beekeeper and the bewitched hair, and also the Hindi explanation or the Hindi translation for most of the viewers, or if anyone likes to hear the explanation in Hindi, so I'll be providing the link of that too. And also I had made a short video of meanings with its pictures, so that also I'll be providing. So I have all these things, I'll be providing it in the description box. So students, do not forget to click under that description box and view whatever you like to. And if you like any of those videos, please do not forget to press that subscribe red button, the bell icon, and also if you like this video, press the like button also. Okay, so students, we'll start this video, but before that I want to tell you that we all as students have a habit of mugging up, or in simple words I must say, like learning the question and answers. So I want you not to learn question and answers, because English literature is something that you understand, okay, is something about feelings, emotions, and it comes naturally. Okay, so I think you guys are really mature enough to understand. I don't want you to mug up these question and answers just because you want to score good marks. Obviously you must score good marks, and I wish you all the best for that. But the main thing of life is not to score good marks, but to understand whatever is being taught. So here I'll not appreciate you mugging up the question and answers, but understanding. So if you guys understand the question and answers, please comment down. And if you were mugging and now you have understood that mugging is not so good and you should understand, please comment down. So let us start with the video, guys. So the first question over here is, and students, once again I would like to tell you that the publication that I am using at the where I work, where I teach, we use the Cambridge Communicate with Cambridge books. So there are 3 questions over here. So more or less in any other publication, I think the questions will be same, or somewhere, you know, here and there, but there will not be a vast difference in the questions asked to you. Okay, so do not get panicked that we have a different. It will be a little different, but not very different. Okay, so the first question is, why was the old woman trying to get the hair from the boy? So we know that this old gypsy woman was trying to get that hair from the boy. And why was she doing that? So the answer I'll be reading out to you is, but I don't want you to mug up, I want you to understand the answer, is that the old gypsy woman was actually a witch who had cast a spell on a girl and turned her into a hare. So the boy had the hair with him and the old woman wanted it. We all know that this old lady was a witch, and she wanted to snatch this hair from the boy, because she knew that this hair is actually not a hair, but this hair is actually a girl. So she wanted to do some magic, some spells or some black magic on that hair, therefore she wanted that hair. Okay, I hope the answer is clear to you. Okay, so The next question is, do you think compassion means to feel for other people, being compassionate is being lovable to other people, is understanding them and treating them with a kind heart and in a gentle way. Okay, so do you think compassion can be a solution to many problems? Quote instances from the text to justify your answers. So instances means examples. Okay, so here the word instance means example. So we have to quote some instances from the story to justify our answers, whether our answers, match our justification or the text justification or not. So the answer here would be, yes, compassion can be a solution to many problems. For instance, that is for example, if the boy hadn't saved the hare, he would have never known the mystery surrounding her. And if he had not followed the gypsy caravan to return the sack of grain, he would not have known the truth of how to tackle the problem and would have lost the hare forever. It was his kindness and compassion that showed him just rewards. So what the answer is trying to say, that this boy saved the hare and this boy carried the sack of grains to the gypsy caravan, and from there that old lady gave her some mysterious answers and some good tips and tricks to help the hare out of the danger. Therefore, so this boy was compassionate enough, therefore in return he got the reward, that is he tried to save the hare. And we know in the story that this hare was actually a young beautiful girl. Okay, so we come on to the third question, which is why the gypsy woman extended her help to the boy. It means why this gypsy woman was trying to help the boy, or was compassionate enough to help the boy. So the answer is, the gypsy woman helped the boy by telling him all she knew about the hare, because he had shown kindness and returned the sack of grain that had fallen off the caravan. So this lady tried to help this boy because she felt that this boy is so compassionate that he followed the tracks and he came and returned the grains that was fallen, and therefore she felt very good, she felt pleased, and therefore she felt like helping this boy out. Therefore she extended help to the boy. So I hope the question answers are clear to you of the beekeeper and the bewitched hare. Students, I hope you'll have watched it till the end, have not just turned it off in between, and I hope y'all are subscribed. Y'all are subscribing. 70% of my audience is unsubscribed, so if y'all are unsubscribed, please do not forget to subscribe. If you like this video, please do not forget to hit that like button and obviously press that bell icon. So we'll see you in the next video. Till then, take a good care of yourself.